Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Friday, January 13th. This is David and let's follow up on Monday's video where we were talking about feeder cattle. And sometimes when equity markets are messy, and I view them as messy right now, we can find other charts that look really clear and they can be a place to hang out and get some trading done while we wait for things to clear up. In the equities. And in here, right, we talked about how this move down from the August high into the October low in the feeder cattle looked like a trend move down, and how we ran out of gas a week ago, right, last Friday, at this cluster of resistance where we have the 78.6 retracement. We have equal legs up from the October low, and we have symmetry all coming together. And we even looked at on the shorter term charts, right? We looked at how the start of the move down from last Friday also looked trend like on small time frames, and while the bounce continued up for another day or two after we talked about using this bounce to get in, right? Just looking at the move down from last week's high to last Friday's low, this bounce came right to 61.8% retracement of that prior move down, right to equal legs up, right, from the low before it started to turn. And that ended up being a great place to get involved on this move to the downside. We have had a good move to the downside, and from here it's unclear how much more there's going to be, if any. If we come back out to the daily, right, last Friday's move up, right, was this large volume bar right here, right? And that ended up being the culmination of the advance before coming back down. Today, we had a strong down day, also on strong volume. And the question is this capitulation into a low that's going to turn back up, or is it going to keep going? Well, if you got in up here, now's a great place to take some off, right? If this is just going to be a counter trend move to the downside, we'd expect, a leg down and another leg down, maybe equal, right? Maybe 127.2% the start of the first move. We came a little bit below that, but we recovered to above that 127.2% level on the day. Combined with this volume spike today, this definitely looks like a decent spot to take some profits. Now, can one let some profits run? Let a runner leave a runner on and see if this continues. Yeah, look, if this is going to follow an Elliott wave map of the market, and it certainly looks like it did here with this large move looking trend like and this looking counter trend, if we have started a new trend move down from last week's high, then this will be this will be a wave one. This will be a wave two. We'll get a wave three to the downside. Maybe done, maybe not. I'd vote for not, because a wave three in general is usually going to be a bit longer than the wave one. Maybe down towards 161.8% of the first leg, 181.275 or so and below would get you there. Meanwhile, then once you finish wave three in here or at today's low or lower, the wave four bounce should stay above the wave one low. That's last Friday's low. So really at this point, look for any bounce to stay back below here if we're going to continue back down. Otherwise, above that would be a warning. Stronger warning back above this high, but that's that's the highest price since we started to talk about this trade. You don't want to give back all your profits and then some. So this is a place to be protective. And a great example of how fibs can, along with price patterns, can show us ways to get into markets and look at some other markets other than equities. So that's what I have here for this update. I will see y'all again soon. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.